I've uploaded 4 images that I'm going to turn into a slideshow using CapCut. And you can see, if we look at these images, they're all fairly bright except for this last one, and we can adjust this, and we can do this by dragging the image that we want to change down onto the timeline. And when we do that, over here we can see that we've got 4 options here. I don't think the bird is close enough, so I want to use the scale function. So I'm just going to scale in just to make the bird in the position I want it to be in. So I'm using the rule of thirds here. It's in the center. We still get the great wave. Actually, if you can see, I've got a nice diagonal going through the image as well. So I've used the rule of thirds. So I'm quite pleased where that bird currently sits. Then I'm going to click on adjustment, but it's still quite dark. And we can scroll down. We can keep it quite cool if you want to. We can adjust the temperature. I want to warm it up just a little bit to make it a bit warmer. I like to saturate things. So it's saturate those blues. Which way do you want to go? Let's saturate this way, make it warmer. We can change the exposure. Let's make it a bit brighter. It's looking better. But when we do that, we can make the whites all blow out. So we can add more contrast in. Let's see, do you want to go? I quite like the contrast there. We can reduce the highlights. We can lift the shadows. We can make the whites more intense. And I think I'll leave it there. So that's how I first of all would adjust the picture so it's going to be more tonally in range with the other images that I've taken.